Want to learn Python but don't know where to start? In the next 6 minutes, you'll discover the exact steps thousands of beginners use to master Python, plus practice questions to test your skills. Python is the most beginner-friendly programming language. Why? It reads like English. No confusing symbols. Companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA use Python for AI, data science, and automation. Learning Python opens doors to incredible careers. It's also free and has massive community support. You'll be amazed how quickly you can build real projects. First, variables storing information. Second, data types like strings and numbers. Third, loops repeating actions automatically. Fourth, conditionals making decisions automatically. Fourth, conditionals making decisions or usable blocks of code. Fifth, functions reusable blocks of code. Everything else builds on these. Most beginners skip foundations and get stuck. Don't be that person. We'll practice each one. Let's write your first program printing hello world, shows you're connected. Next, create a variable for your name and print it. Question 1, write code that adds 2 numbers. Question 2, create a loop that prints 1 to 10. Question 3, use an if statement to check if a number is positive. Try these now. These exercises build muscle memory. Don't just watch tutorials build things. Start small, a calculator app, a to-do list. Start small, a calculator app, a to-do list. Share your code. Ask questions. The best learners are builders. Join Python communities. Share your code. Ask questions. The best learners are builders, not just watchers. You've got this. Python mastery isn't years away, it's weeks if you commit today. Like this video for starting your Python journey, subscribe for more AI and coding tutorials. Comment, what's the first Python project you want to build?